Hello friends, it's Miss Jordan from Children's Museum Tucson, and today's science experiment is going to be baked cinnamon apples. We are going to cook today. Are you ready? All right, let's get started. So first, I washed my hands and then I washed my apples. Then I peeled and I chopped my apples. We will need about, let's see, I said 2 apples, peeled, chopped, all right? So I'm gonna put those into my little dish. Oh friends, the second thing I forgot to tell you, I did off camera. I preheated my oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. So 375 is what the oven needs to be preheated to. I'm gonna put my apples in my little dish. Perfect. Okay, now I am going to add in a 1/4 teaspoon. So a tiny little amount of cinnamon. Here we go. And I'm just going to kind of sprinkle it on there. We can mix it in a little bit later. All right, and then I am going to do 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. There we go. Just scraping brown sugar, my favorite thing. All right. Fabulous. Should we do a tiny bit extra? Let's do a tiny bit extra. Okay. And then I just need a dash of lemon juice. So I'm just gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 really fast. Okay, great. And now we're just gonna mix this together. The lemon juice is just so that we can coat the apples equally. Ooh, it smells delicious. Friends, it smells like the inside of an apple pie because that's what we're doing. We're making like the inside of an apple pie and we're gonna bake it without the crust. All right, a little bit extra lemon juice just because it's feeling a tiny bit dry to me. Okay, and friends, one other thing I didn't mention before is that I actually used multiple types of apples. I always like to do that, especially when I'm making a pie or I'm going to bake them because you get so many different flavors. It just makes it that much more flavorful. Awesome. So there we go. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. This goes into the oven for 30 minutes and see you then. Thank you so much, friends. It's time to take out our baked cinnamon apples. It has been 30 minutes. So let's see. Oh my goodness. Delicious. All right, friends, well, I'm gonna let these cool off and then I'm going to enjoy them and I hope you enjoy yours too. Thank you so much. See you next time.